First, disconnect the broken control board from the other board if you have a dual burner. If you have a single burner, move on to step 2. Next, unplug the control board from the main board. Avoid pulling on the wire. Instead, pull gently from the plug to prevent wire damage. Then, remove the 4 screws on the corners of the control board. For the next step, make sure you know which control board you need. The left and right control boards are very different. In this case, we are replacing the right control board. A left control board will not work as it will not have a wire port. Next, plug in the new control board into the main board next to the heating coil. Also, plug it into the other working control board. Then, line up the bottom plastic and screw in place. And lastly, add thermal paste to the sensor before closing your cooktop.